Okay, let me make a video of the camera installation and the calibration. Okay, first of all, when you start here, you go to CCD, you're gonna see the camera. If it's working, then you're lucky. If it's not, because I took the cable off, so definitely not. So several things that ask you to check. Cable is connected, power is on, and some settings. Okay, we go one by one. So first of all, this camera is industry camera. You can see they have two cables. Front is a network cable, back is the power. Okay, then you have the lights is connected to the power. Power is the back is 12 volt. The network cable is connected here. That's why it's not working because I take it off. Okay, so now if you plug it in, you will see the network cable lights is on. Then next thing is actually need to install driver. But now it's supposed to working now. We can try it. Yeah, it's working now because I set it up already. But now, let's see. We go to download the driver first. You go to our site, which you find the oscillating blades machine, which is here. And then inside you can see there is a driver called Hike Robot. Actually from Hike Vision. It's their industry department called Hike Robot. It's their software. You download it, and let me show you. I download it, and if you download it, it will be some package like that. Then you install. It's installed into a folder, something like that. Once you install it, you don't really need to do anything because it has a shortcut. So when you run this one, it's detecting how many network card you have, and if you can detect the cable, it's connected. In the beginning, probably it says not detected, but it's able to find that there is a device they're familiar with, even the IP address is wrong. So what you do is, if you check the previous video, you know that our network for the control card is 192.168.0.100. So we set this computer in anything that not 100, 143 in this case. So you need to modify the IP. So put your anything that just not 100, not this computer. General, so not 1, because 1 is not the gateway. Okay, something like that, anything. Then you will see it's connected. Okay, anything else, you do not really need to do anything. Actually, you do not need this software at all if it's installed. Now, if you go to the cutting software, if you press this camera button, it's supposed to turn on the camera. Okay. If it's not, they will tell you go to a setting, which is here in the parameter. In the parameter, you go to access. The password, as you're supposed to already know now, you're supposed to watch other video first. Then you go to overview, you find the code 3, I forget now. It asks you to check a setting, supposed to be 4, which is that Hike Robot camera. If it's not, you have to change to 4. Okay, I seriously forget what that number is now. Let me unplug this cable, then I can show you. Unplug this, and the camera definitely not working anymore. We can try, say, it's 3 or 5, 3, 0, and 3. So let's check that 5, 3, 5, 3. Camera type, okay. Camera type, you can see we currently is using Hike Robot. Okay, that's our machine. We use their product. That's why it must be 4. Okay. Then this is how you install the camera. Make sure it's working. Okay, plug it back. Now the camera is working. The camera is working.